So the situation is looking even worse, because yeah, we just came about maybe 200 meters or 400 meters from there, and again the motorcycle is not pulling.
Hello and welcome to my channel, guys, and I hope you all are doing well and good. So after a long time I'm posting the Sikkim videos when I was traveling to Gurudongmar lake. So this video is all about what all problem I faced on my motorcycle. I was on my Hero Impulse that time, and the problem I faced while going from Lachen to Gurudongmar, this video is all about that only. And so keep watching the video. So good morning everyone. Today is 22nd of November, and we are आज 22nd to 21st of November, and we are going to Gurudongmar lake, and we are having a short breakfast. Everyone is having a short breakfast. This is Satyajit Da. He is the manager of this hotel, and we are staying in Himalayan Residency. So, good to hotel, and he helps us a lot from yesterday, and just thinking that when we will reach to Gurudongmar lake. Let's see. Let's show you the weather first. Up there, I think you can see up there the weather is showing that it's clear. So let's hope for the best. And this is Saptoshi there. इसका भी vlog चल रहा है. Saptoshi का भी breakfast हो गया शायद. You're done.
Breakfast all done.
Yeah.
And we will be leaving soon, maybe in another 15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
But yeah, so far so good. The group's in a good mood.
Yeah.
And Rishabh is also doing well. He was
I'm a bit nervous right now.
He was a bit nervous,
Yeah,
because his
because
oxygen level was at, I think,
87 yesterday night.
But yeah, right now he is okay. So yeah, let's see and hope for the best.
Yeah, hope for the best, guys. So after some time we will start our journey. So till then, catch you on the road, guys. Thank you. Packing is going on, and we have just cold start our bikes. That's the Himalayan, my Impulse. Saptoshi is packing the bike, the luggage, the tail bag, and अरविंद का बाइक उधर है. अरविंद का बाइक भी एक सेल्फ में स्टार्ट हो गया था. What happened, bro? The monkey man. दाड़ा दाड़ा ঘুরিয়ে নে না ভাই, ওখান থেকে সাইড স্ট্যান্ডে ঘুরিয়ে নে. সাইড স্ট্যান্ডে. So we are all ready. Arvind, are you ready?
Yes. One eternity later.
Okay, so guys, we are in Thangu Valley right now, and it's freezing cold here in Thangu Valley. As you can see, the snow-capped mountains, and we are going to Gurudongmar lake. As we can't able to vlog in our GoPro, because it's totally prohibited to use GoPro here in Thangu Valley or in the army region. So all the bikes are performing well, but my bike are still having some issues. The bike is can't able to climb in the uphill. It's facing some issues, so I fixed the carburetor right now, the air screw and the fuel mixture. So let's see what happens. And a little dizziness I am feeling in my head. I'm drinking a lot of water so that I can cope up with the altitude. So let's hope for the best, guys. And Arvind and Saptoshi is down that side. So why we have stopped here? Because in Thangu Valley, this is a army checkpost, and we have to show our permits here in Tango Valley. And Gurudongmar lake is around 30 kilometers from here, and
after this checkpost we have another checkpost which is 15 kilometer uh, before Gurudongmar Lake. So we have to stop there also and show our permits also. So let's see. It's around we will reach around 11 a.m. in Gurudongmar Lake. So hope for the best, guys. Let's see. It's enjoying. We are very much enjoying the ride, but we need to um, cope up with the altitude. So till then, bye, guys.
So the situation is looking even worse because yeah, we just came about maybe 200 meters or 400 meters from there, and again the motorcycle is not pulling. So I don't know what we will be able to do or salvage over here. We will give a last hand at the carburetor. Let's see. If it does not pull, then I think Rishabh has to stay back, or yeah, we will figure something out. So the situation is now looking even worse because his bike is hardly pulling, and we came through that corridor over there. He somehow managed to reach over here. So yeah, let's see if we can find any solution. So he has called a mechanic in Kolkata.
মানে
Let's
সে
see.
রেসই নিচ্ছে না, পিকআপটা মানে যে ধরছে না বাইকটায়, পিকআপটা ধরছেই না। তাই তো ভাবছি আমি। হ্যাঁ।
So from this point of time, I head back towards Lachen because as you can see, this is a straight road, and my motorcycle was struggling to go on that road also. So I stayed back to Lachen and I slept. I didn't have my lunch also that day. After Shoptoshi and Arvind came, they both charged me up and told that it's not a good big deal, you can do after a year also, after some days also. So when I start from Lachen, I was facing some issues on my motorcycle, that my motorcycle was not pulling that much the way it should be going on the hills, and I was sure that something is happening on my motorcycle that time, but I kept my belief strong and I kept riding. And when I reached Kalep checkpost, after that there is a long stretch of roads, and there I faced a lot of problem on my motorcycle. My motorcycle was not pulling on a straight road that time also, and I was getting some burning smell that time. So I was Shopturshi Duke is with me that time, and Arvind took a long gap from Kalep checkpost. So Saptoshi is with me that time, and he told that whether I can go or not, and he was seeing the motorcycle struggling to climb. So at that time he told me that you should take a call, what you want to do, because it's risky if you take the motorcycle to up further. Okay, so after Kalep checkpost we have a lot more kilometers to Gurudongmar Lake. So then I called my mechanic that time. I tried to fix the carburetor with the air screw and jet screw that time, but I couldn't because I was also facing some problem on my body because my head was aching like hell that time, and I didn't knew that whether AMS hit me or not that time, but I was facing some problem and I'm not confident enough. So I told Saptoshi that you and Arvind carry on with your motorcycle, and it's better to stay back, or I should head towards Lachen because it's risky to take this motorcycle from that point of time to uphill. So Saptoshi told me, okay, you stay back to Lachen, and tomorrow you take my motorcycle and you visit Gurudongmar Lake. But I refused that because we are all motorcyclists and we all wanted to travel with our own motorcycle. So what's the point by going on someone else's motorcycle? So on 2021 I left the plan of Gurudongmar Lake, and I didn't visit Gurudongmar Lake because of my motorcycle. So that day I came back to Lachen, and my mind was totally not. I was not on a good mental state that time. I slept after I came to my hotel room. So in the evening, Saptarshi and Arvind came. I heard the stories of them, how they reached Gurudongmar Lake. So it's bad luck for me that on 2021 I didn't able to make it up to Gurudongmar Lake. And on 2022 I again visit Gurudongmar Lake with my Thunderbird motorcycle, and I achieved Gurudongmar Lake with smoothly, with very easily. I got up there, and it was a very good experience for me that time. I was knew that what all problem maybe happen on a motorcycle. I took care of all that problems, and on 2022 the motorcycle also supported me so very well, and I didn't face a single problem, not my health issues. I'm completely okay. So that's how I went to Gurudongmar Lake. So keep watching the videos, and I'll post after this series of Sikkim series. I'll post my second series of Gurudongmar Lake videos after this. I complete this series. Okay, so thank you, thanks a lot, and keep watching RM Rides.